Hi, this is a how-to video by Miss Thomas, and I'm going to show you what it is I would like you to do when you are making your how-to video for our class. So first things first, let's go over some of the objectives. So the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to need to create a video. On your video, you're going to need to give step-by-step directions of how to accomplish what it is you're wanting to share, and you're going to need to use pictures or actual videos of you giving these step-by-step directions. After we are all done, we are going to share this. So you're going to need to upload it to the Google page. I will share it with our class, and then friends are going to try and follow your directions step by step to see if they can accomplish this task. Afterward, also, one last thing is your video can be on anything you want. It can be how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, how to write your letters, how to write your numbers, anything you can think of you can use for this video. Lastly, I just want to say good luck, and if you have any questions about how to do your video, please reach out and I will be happy to help you. Once again, good luck with your video.